Hi guys, welcome to C Hacker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to access the emoji keyboard that is normally only found on the touch keyboard of Windows, right here, but access it instead via a keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to show that to you today. It looks like this. The keyboard shortcut for this is Windows and period, and it's quite cool because you can see all the different categories. Inside each category, you can change the skin tones uh, and hairstyles of any compatible emojis, and it also uses predictive typing. So when this emoji keyboard is pulled up, you could type in happy, pulls up a happy face, you could type in cow, pulls up cows. It's really quite good in the things it searches. Uh, So, yep, there it is, just a simple hack, Windows period. And in fact, it also works in other programs. It works in any text field. It's even compatible in Notepad. So you can add in various emojis. Not everything works, but for the things that do, it's really quite neat to see. Hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and share this video. Until next time, peace.